In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page in Joomla 4. Whether you're setting up a new site or just want to add a login page to an existing one, this guide will help you get it done smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by logging into your Joomla administrator panel. This is your home base where you'll control all the settings for your Joomla site. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the menus section on the top menu bar. Here, click on main menu. If you have another menu in mind where you want to add the login link, you can go there instead. This flexibility allows you to position your login link exactly where you want it in your site navigation. Next, click on the plus new button. This option is usually found on the top left of the page and will lead you to a new form. Here you'll begin setting up your new menu item, fill in the necessary fields starting with the menu title, enter login as the title. This is the text that will appear in your menu, making it clear to users that this is where they can log in. Now let's set the menu item type, click on select, then choose users from the drop down menu that appears. Under users you'll find an option called login form. Select it. This menu item type ensures that your new menu link will lead directly to the login form that Joomla has prepared for you, making setup much simpler. Once the item type is selected, set the status to published. By doing this, you ensure that your new menu item is live and visible to site visitors. To guarantee that everyone, whether they're logged in or not, can see the login link, set access to public. This is crucial for a login page as you want all users, including those who don't have an account yet, to be able to find and access it easily. Now click on save and close to apply all these settings. This action not only saves your changes but also exits you from the editing view, bringing you back to your main menu screen. Finally, it's time to check your work. Visit your site and find the new login menu item you just created. Click on it to verify that it directs you to a fully functional login page. It should seamlessly take you to the form where users can enter their credentials. And there you have it, you've successfully created a login page in Joomla 4. With this login page in place, your site visitors can easily log in and access any additional content you have restricted for members or registered users. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.